guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs.
Shakunjani gogo uThema?
Ngiyaphila Chem.
Mnandi uThema. Na yazi bengithi asihlabe sihlikiza uThema ngale game yebafana ezolandela yabona yethu neGibhide. Sibheke amalokhuzana ama weakness point akhona nama strong points abo. Plus mawuthi yabheka these two national teams they normally the same. Why ngithi normally the same? If we are check the most players abo ilokhuzana eGibhide nama player bias eAlahi and then ilokhuzana bafana nama player bias eSouth Africa, so which means ajwayelene most yala ma player lawo. So bengifuna nje sihlikinize sibheke kakhulu ngapha kubafana ukuthi masithi siyabangena siyabahlaba labantu yini esingabangena ngayo labantu.
Thank Chem. Yeah, it's very true. I build up a player with Egypt, they're made up of Al Ahly and Zamalek majority. For South Africa, they're made up of Sundowns and the Pirates. So, and they're very familiar with each other. We have Champions League. So it means there are no strangers in this game. Everyone knows I'm a strength and I'm a weakness.
Sure.
Singaqala lapha we Egypt. Sibe I'm a strength with Egypt. Key strength say Egypt, it's North African football, pure North African football. I'm across brutal, I'm across wabo. I think ukuthi I'm across ngibona kwami mina. It's something we need to emphasize even in our league. You look at ama goal with Egypt, boy 2 as a ngama cross. And lama cross bawathola kanjani? Ulama space la kusuka khona ama full back. So I feel ukuthi that's the first strength se Egypt ukuthi bakwazi ukukhuphula ama fullback wabo and ama fullback wabo good ngama cross. So singayibeka lapha that is strength se Egypt. Angazi ukuthi wena chairman when strength se Egypt mawusibhekile sikuphi and then sobheka ama weakness wabo.
Yeah, no, nami strength sabo ngendlela engisibona ngayo it's exactly the way sibeke ngakhona wena gogo uThema, because of nabo bakhuphuka ngama wing yabona, and mabekhuphuka ngama wing ilaba kulimaza khona mawungabheka negame ezolo ukuthi babuye kanjani. Babuye ngawo ama wing, they started ngeformation bayibona ukuthi le formation abaspaneli and then bashintsha formation during the game. So nami strength sabo ngizothi si base kakhulu kuma wing. If bazothola sidlala thina the local football lesidlalayo ukuthi sizokhuphuka nge3-2 angibona bazosilimaza uThema. Angazi ukuthi is it a force ukuthi kuleya game imela akhuphuka ama wing ethu na noma nje kumela ama wing ethu ahlale lapha yana kade anything ezoyenzeka and then bese sidila ngamajite ethu lapha phambili whether abo police kube yibo abazogijima phambili. But istrength sabe ngisibonayo mina bazokushaya emawingini bakwazi ukuthi bafaka amabhola bathola bomusala lapha yana and then bazosenzela idamage.
Yeah, very very true. Looking at that, it's very important ukuthi into ishoyo ukuthi sithanda ukukhuphula ama fullback wethu, sithanda ukukhuphula umdiba nomdawo, sathanda ukuthi baye phambili and umdiba obviously siyamthanda simthaka inajo nama midfielder umdawo waye down the line, meaning that there's a space abasifunayo abantu ama play Egypt ukuthi bakwazi ukcross bazosithola lesa space lesa namaqedwe ukhuphuka umdawo, bazosithola lesa space lesa namaqedwe ukhuphuka umudiba. So how do we counter that? We have to counter that in terms of sibheke ama midfielder wethu ukuthi adlala kanjani, even nama center back wethu ukuthi adlala kanjani. If we look at in our game, in our previous game where we were playing against Angola, we had two holding midfielders, which it was Uyaya Sithole and Tebza Umrembula. We had the center back pairing Yagambogazi Nomgezana. So labantu abayi 4, they were supposed to create a square shape. The square shape mabas creator, it's a square shape, two holding midfielders and two center backs. So mabayi 2-2 mele ba move ngeshape ukuthi njoba bey4 they move as a block to defend one side,
Yeah.
move as a block to defend
To
another
other
side.
side, yeah.
Which another thing they could also use to defend such situation is bathathe uYaya Sithole, between uYaya Sithole noMrembula, one should take responsibility of joining ama center back, meaning that when Mbokazi goes out to cover for Umudiba on the left, Yaya Sithole must come in, close leso space, join whoever bazobe bamphere naye laphayana. In this instance, last game it was Ungezana, so join Ungezana so that kube 3 emuva and then kube no 1 in that holding midfielder position, vice versa on the other side. If Ungezana ukhavela Umodau, and then it means Yaya Sithole mele as join Umbokazi, and then it means baba ne shape and then one Omil. Those are the kind of ways abanga defender ngazo. Another one ukuthi, let's say uTebza kube uye directly go kube uye oyokhavela uModiba, and then the others balandele uTebza, and then vice versa on the other side kube ngoYaya Sithole a defend on the other side. Angazi ukuthi wena chairman ungayibona ukuthi bangayi defender kanjani such situation ngokwakho.
Yeah, yabona kumele silungise lapha emuva uthi singabi shake because of le game le yelokhuzana ye Egypt. It will be more difficult nyana than Angola. Although Angola was not the weakest link, but le lokhuzana ye Egypt izoba more physically futhi ba strong la machita lawo. So we need ukuthi amachita ethu avuke da kuzomela silungise nalaphayana 4 and 5 leyana uThami kuzomela silungise wena konke because of if ungabheka previous ukuthi why we strong emuva ngelokhuzana ngebafana we took iMamelodi Sundowns players abadlala in one team abajwayele ukudlala bonke sababeka lapha ku 4 and 5. If ungakhumbula ukuthi who was playing 4 and 5 ku the previous AFCON, and they were doing good for us because of they used to each other bayazana, we understand. So nala ukuthi mhlambe sibe strong, we must get someone ozo assist Umbokazi azokhona ukuthi understand, we understand, azokhona ukuthi ambize because Umbokazi laba abanye sekabajwayele uriding umndawu nomdiba ubajwayele uyakhona ukubatshela ukuthi bafethu nyakhuphuka bakwazi ukubuya bazomvalela or yena abatshela ukuthi phumani siyaphuma. But manje mawumlethela umuntu omusha ku tournament enjengale uthi basazofundana abazosihlaba uThami.
Yeah, so wenke uthathe ipoint very important che mawucala ukhuluma ukuthi Umbokazi ukwazi ukucommanda ukutshela ama player ukuthi phumani or ngiyarest or ngiyaphuma,
Yeah.
meaning that even we wanted that thing, leadership, ukuthi umuntu in that center back pairing ozoba yi-leader.
Yeah.
And when you have Umbokazi noSibisi, it's clear ukuthi ubani i-leader. You can tell ukuthi uSibisi can tell Umbokazi what to do in that position.
Yes.
And then kuba cover up lento khuluma ngayo, communication iba clear, uyakwazi ukubona like the previous one mokhulume ngayo ukuthi between uKekana noMvala there was a
Yes,
leadership
yes.
ukuthi ubani wenzani and
Yes.
understanding, which that thing is very important because you don't want to be caught ungazi ukuthi ubani yenzeni, ubani oppressayo, ubani oprotectayo.
Yes.
That one has to be clear. And then we move a little bit phambili kancane chairman singene la ekwi midfield ukuthi ngikubona kwakho i-midfielder having i-double 6 and having umboli phangwa le double 6 lena chairman, what can you adjust from ibafana going to the next game, or are you happy with that double 6 and having umboli phangwa singene lapha kwi midfielder? Ngiyabonga chair.
Yeah, no, lapha midfield goga uThami completely short lapha. Umbatha uyafuneka lapha. Umbatha uzosiza bas defender uzoba present in terms of defending, but ngemthandela ukuthi make lithola vie uyakwazi ukuthi akhuphuke, uyakwazi ukushama long range. Into esifunayo uyazi mawushama long range noma yini, ubonile na izolo Umbokazi try enye long range ephula ibhali ngizwa bathi liyashiselwa namanje ibhali la khona lapha. So indaba yokuthi ngiyazi simnande enyaweni thina uThami ibafana imnande enyaweni ngetikataka ngiyazi ukuthi siyahamba, but ezinye izinto ziyafuna ukuthi makuvuleka imbobo sambe sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabona. So lapha yana umbuli angangena as a 10 ezusho, but ulokhuzana bese kungena nolokhuzana nombatha. Umbatha siyamdinga kule game le lokhuzana ye Egypt, angayenzi mistake ucoach wethu ambeke ngaphandle. Yeah.
Yeah. And then now I must include Umbatha in the scheme. It means ukuthi we have to drop one between Uyaya no Tebza. One must sit down, sibheke ukuthi between Uyaya no Tebza sihlalisa abantu.
Uyaya
And then we'll look or sihlalisa Uyaya ngaphandle.
Tebza must be there.
uTebza must be there.
Yeah.
So uMbatha uzongena as number 8.
Yeah.
And then uTebza adlale as number 6.
Yes.
So sidlala ngani nge-triangle phakathi. Should kuba i-3 phakathi, triangle phakathi. Okay, okay, I understand. And then we move a little bit forward ukuthi i-forward line yethu uyibona kanjani ukuthi because what happened yesterday, which I think ukuthi it was very intelligent akayenzile ucoach Hugo Bruce, ukuthi introduce uMoremi in that game. Introducing uMoremi in that game changed everything for iBafana Bafana kula game leyana. Remember masiqala i-game it was inverted. I-game ayidlala, the last game ayidlala iBafana Bafana, we have inverted wingers eyaka Nkotha no Apolis. But what happened is coach Hugo Bruce introduced uMoremi wadonsa uNkotha, meaning that we had abantu naturally a natural right back, a natural right winger, a natural left winger.
Yeah.
Meaning that we were more direct.
Yeah.
So chairman moyibheka kanjalo, is it the approach you would start a game against Al Ahly, or would you go back to inverted players, inverted wingers? Which one would you go for, chairman?
Mayingamoshekanga ungayiphuli awuthiyama ungayifix. Lapha yana siqala ngayo uNkotha vie. Simbeke esayidini no Lokhuzana no Police as we started yesterday. But into efunakalayo ukuthi ucoach wethu if abamniki lento ayifunayo unawo ama impact player ezusho usangabuya ngomremi usangabuya ngorile akalithintanga vela akakalidlali but sengizama ukubonisa ukuthi unama option amaningi but the first two yaqale ngayo imnandi it's just lezi zaseLokhuzana ezayizolo besidlala nazo bezimvalile lo mfana lo Nkotha bezimfundile zimstudishile ukuthi yabona indlela azoqhamuka ngayo bayibheke yonke but engikwazi uNkotha can still give us something out of nothing. So mina kube bekuyima uthi yami lapha phambili bengizoyikhipha njengoba injalo bese ngithatha uFrostla kancane ngithi kumhlalisa phansi ngifake uNgwanasesi ngimfakelani just ukuthi ayenza that 4 and 5 yabo ingakhona ukuthi iphumule lapha yana emuva because nyamaza ukuthi uNgwanasesi akusile striker lesesihlala eboxini lese sifuna ukuthi uyosilandela amabhola uzilethele siyaphuma sona self usiyofuna amabhola and unanading ukuthi no yazi mina mele ngenzeni mele ngibasuse laba ngibayise sidini angithi make lokho abenabo lapha na immediately make start athi uyamuva bayashifta nabo bayalandela and lezi ke zama wingers ziyamazi ziyamshaya ngetiming zimscan ukuthi okay sekabathathile labo balahlele sidini bayakwazi ukuthi nabo bacross in groundini bakwazi ukuthi babone ukuthi benza kanjani.
I think we are spoiled for choice. I mean, imagine having a player fana no Ngwanasesi ebenchini and still have umuntu ofana no Frostla. Ngwanasesi comes with that thing because even Nkotha is very comfortable ukulala around Ngwanasesi njengoba ukhuluma chairman ukuthi Ngwanasesi can drag players out of position Nkotha khathi inside enze the magic vice versa a winger on the other side Police naye kwazi ukwenza the same thing. And also into elethwa uFrostla ukuthi because what I've learned we last game Bafana Bafana ngoFrostla is that uFrostla kahle I feel he's more comfortable when he's playing nama winger are direct wingers than inverted wingers. Makudlala ama inverted wingers it makes it difficult for him ukuthi athole le space akasifunayo. Why am I saying that? Unebhola uFrostla akaye alholder walinikeza umbuli walinikeza uMoremi walkora. Unfortunately it was an offside because uFrostla was coming from an offside position.
Yes.
So it means ukuthi uFrostla wants to have that space for himself because manje ama winger makadlala nama winger ahlale lineini inika iaccess yokumove around ama center back which is a variety and I do believe ukuthi i-variety good for i-team ukuthi singabi easily predictable njengoba usho ukuthi if Egypt is gonna study us and say bazodlala nge-holding striker then it means this is how we can approach them but we can also bring a surprise Ngwanasesi as a surprise into the game. I feel ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela leyo into esinayo manje si South Africa ukuthi izosebenzela kakhulu yabona chairman nami ngiyavumelana nawe ngapha ukuthi we have a couple of surprises in different areas and then we're gonna go back to the middle field chairman ukuthi lapha kuma middle fielder mina mangibheka chairman I feel ukuthi umbuli is giving us a lot but sometimes we need umuntu ukuthi mabadlala if there is umbuli there's a police, there's unkotha.
Yeah.
I feel ukuthi makuno Frosla istruggle ababanaso it's first press. When we use uFrosla as a first press, as the first man to press, we find it difficult ukuthi unkotha uApolice nombuli bakwazi ukulandela.
Yeah.
Uyabona? So how can we deal with such situation? Because that's what I feel last game emkhathazile uFrosla ukuthi megagijima kakhulu abe first press, but mengena that support in terms of coming from middle fielder, from umbuli, from aPolice nonkotha. How can we do that going forward, Chairman? How can we deal with such situation knowing what Egypt izofuna ukubuilda from the back and you're gonna want to apply first press? Senza kanjani going forward, Chairman? Ungayibona kanjani?
Yabona uFrosla uthami uFrosla la dlala khona akadlali by fluke. uFrosla is a good striker le out leyana. Ifuna nje by scan, that's all ikumele bayenze bamenzele yona. Yabona uFrosla akusile out yamatikitaka la weswashaya ukuthi ulidlale enyaweni. uFrosla ufuna umthumeleli letter ayithatha ayifunde adlale nethini. So into ekumele bayenza amajida lapha yana esigubhini ukuthi bangafuni ukuthi balekubaliNokha bayitshela ukuthi uzoza azolicollector. uFrosla ufuna ukuthi ayimele lapha nje akafani nongwana sesi ukuthi uzoya lena le uzoza yena kancane from the 18 opposition side angene, but angeke umthola uFrosla sekahamba elokhuzana close to the 18 area to yofuna ibhola kusila ama player lawa njalo because uzitshela ukuthi nongine 6 ngine 8 ngine 10 if akusi pivot abantu abazwenza ukuthi bangiskenela amabhola. So into ukuthi bangamkhathaza umjidi 1 ukuthi mabephethe amabhola bamthumelele incwadi sodla abantu ngoFrosla uthiyami. Yeah.
No ngiyakuzwa Chairman, but I do want to emphasize ukuthi in terms of play we are very good.
Yeah.
Play wise bafana I feel ukuthi one of the best. I think ukuthi in every game esoyidlala ball position is us favor. I think ukuthi most of the team esodlala against one ama team azofuna apply low block because tactically and technically we are very good. My concern ile ye first press ukuthi le first press yethu le sisebenzisa kanjani, because I don't want Egypt ukuthi iphume easily with first press yethu. As we mentioned in the beginning, Chairman, ukuthi Egypt ikwazi ukusebenzisa ama winger wa wing play. So it means if first press yethu whenever they're in position mele singwazi ukuthi sisebenzise first press yethu positive ukuthi siba deny ukuthi baye emasidini if abangeni phakathi, because they can take the ball from the left to the right and then baye sidini bafake icross. So if first press yethu mele ibe good because nabo enyaweni ba good.
Yeah.
So ungayibona kanjani, Chairman?
Njengoba bengishila uthiyami ukuthi wena goga uthiyami ukuthi in terms of defensive we need to be disciplined. Kuma lokhuzana 2 and 3 yethu that we need to be disciplined. And then ulokhuzana umbuli mele ahlale endishini. And then njengoba bengithela phana kusho ukuthi sizofuna ukuthi sizo drop uyaya sifake ulokhuzana umbatha noDebs. Umbatha noDebs ayibe kumele bashaye idonkey job lapha yana benze sure ukuthi akunanto esondelayo ukuthi iza kubombokazi. And then lezi ezithu zibe discipline. I know abovurvayi mfethu lapha sikhuluma ngezinje ezinkulu ama top dog izinje ezingaya phambili and maziya phambili zisinike something, but kule game esiya kuyo mele babe discipline nyana isipane sibhaya sishaya uDebs nombatha and then ulokhuzana umbuli ahlale la isiswini agada loose ball.
No, ngiyabonga Chairman. Thank you Chairman man kakhulu. It was nice having this conversation.
Ngiyabonga
Siva.
nawe me out. Thank you.